The Cows and the Tiger.
In a deep forest, there lived 4 cows. They were good friends and did everything together. Wherever they went as a group, always looking out for one another. This unity kept them safe from the many dangers that lurked in the forest. One day, a hungry tiger named Tigger entered the forest. Tigger had been watching the cows for days, hoping to find a chance to catch one of them. But every time he approached, he saw them grazing together, and he knew he couldn't attack them as long as they were united. Tigger decided to come up with a plan to separate the cows. He waited until the cows were grazing near a clearing and then crept close enough to speak to them. In a friendly voice, he called out, "Hello, dear cows. I have seen a beautiful meadow with the greenest grass just beyond the hill. You should go and see it." The cows, being curious, discussed among themselves whether to check out the meadow, but Wise Cow reminded them, "We should always stay together, no matter what. It's how we stay safe." The other cows agreed, and they decided to continue grazing where they were, ignoring Tigger's suggestion. Seeing that his plan had failed, Tigger became frustrated. He realized that as long as the cows stayed together, he would never be able to catch any of them. He needed a new plan. One night, Tigger overheard a conversation between 2 cows. One cow mentioned she wanted to explore the nearby woods early the next morning. Tigger saw this as his chance. At dawn, Tigger followed the cow as she wandered into the woods alone. Just as he was about to pounce, the other cows arrived, having noticed one of the cows' absence, and rushed to her side. Together, they stood their ground against Tigger. Tigger, seeing the unity of the cows once again, realized he would never succeed in harming them as long as they stayed together. He gave up and left the forest in search of easier prey. The cows learned an important lesson that day. From then on, they promised never to wander off alone and always to look out for each other. Their bond became even stronger, and they continued to live happily and safely in the forest.